Hold your horses, boys. Not too loud. Not too loud. Not too fast. Not too slow. Come on, come on. That. Not silly enough. Silly. Well, that's too silly. What did you want? The Akabalaka knot. It's a very special knot. You don't know